So in the past few videos here, we did the Rust-Oleum, which is the rust reformer. And while it did a good job, it left some room. And what I'm doing last night is I'm perusing the interwebs, and I come across this TSB for the car for rusted brake lines. And I think to myself, hey, you know, my car, it wasn't really that bad rust-wise. I mean, it is. I'm in the Rust Belt. I'm in the northern part of North America. The salt that they put down on the road, that's what just tears these things up. Subaru is giving us absolutely no love for the 2002 WRXs in North America to 2004 STIs. For some reason, this TSB is only for the 2005 up. So, good for you guys. Okay, now moving along here, we're going to see that this brake union right here is completely crudted and rusted. Mine is absolutely kind of destroyed and is probably going to leak somewhere in the near future. And that sucks right there. That's one of the weakest points I think they were saying on the TSB. Because it's just not protected. Now, what can we do here? We're going to clean it up a little bit without really touching it, because you don't want to take a wire wheel to this or anything. You could break whatever bond it's going to seal itself with now. Because a good power washing will take this stuff off. But you can put this stuff on the brake lines, anything but rubber. It will swell rubber seals, so that's the only thing you don't want to do. It's lanolin based. It is solvent free. It smells like a baby throw up. Let's be honest. But it does such a good job.